chat with your friends. Okay. What are you gonna say?
I don't know.
Hey guys, Shannon and Jenna with The Busy Bee, and today we're going to show you how to make a grilled Thanksgiving sandwich for your next Friendsgiving feast.
And we're going to give you some tips and tricks on how to take some shortcuts, because if you have a busy house like me with kids running around and everything, you'll want to do these shortcuts so you can spend less time in the kitchen and more time with your loved ones.
Alright, let's get started. Okay. Alright, so we chose a 5-grain Italian bread. We found this in our Publix deli, and I like to usually choose some of the slices from the center because they tend to be a little bigger. And what you're going to do is just take your butter and you're going to butter this as if you were going to make a grilled cheese sandwich. So you're just going to do the outside slices that are going to touch the griddle.
And then we have some pre-sliced brie here. So you're going to layer that on the inside once your bread is buttered.
So you'll lay down the buttered side, and then you'll take your pre-sliced brie and you'll line the inside of your sandwich before you place this on the griddle. Okay.
And we cut it pretty thin, so it should melt pretty well.
Yep. So depending on how many sandwiches you're gonna make, you'll do this, you'll just have one slice of brie for each sandwich. So you'll do this, and then you're gonna move over to the griddle. So 2 hostful hacks to save time in the kitchen so you can spend more time around the table with your loved ones is to buy pre-carved turkey breast, which you can find in the pre-sliced deli meat aisle, and to buy canned cranberry sauce instead of homemade. Okay.
First, you're going to heat up your griddle on medium heat and lightly spray with nonstick spray. Then you're going to take the slice that has the brie on it and put that on first, so that way the brie can melt. Next, you're going to add your pre-carved turkey breast.
And after that's warmed for a little bit, then you're gonna add your canned cranberry. And if you have a cranberry sauce that you like to make, you can also use that too. And then once that's warmed up a little bit, you're going to add your baby arugula on top. And then you'll take the other slice of buttered bread, buttered side on top, and you're going to add those to the top.
And then, once you see some color on the bottom, you can flip your sandwich over.
Okay, and then you're just gonna check to make sure the other side is toasted. And once it is, you are ready to go. And we like to place ours on a wooden cutting board, just for some pretty presentation. Get a little fancier with it, you can add a little rosemary to the top of each sandwich. Just like that. And you're ready to serve. So there you have it. It's our grilled Thanksgiving sandwich for your Friendsgiving feast.
Quick, easy, and made with love.
If you give it a try, be sure to leave a comment below. If you like it, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye, friends.
We're The Busy Bee, and we are going to, what do we do?
Subscribe.
Bye.
Did I sound stupid because I stuttered?